In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn PLR content into lead magnets, or simply how to create lead magnets for your list building efforts using the PLR products. What's up, workers? This video will show you another way on how to profit from PLR products, and this is by creating lead magnets to build your list using that PLR content. So before I jump into the details, please support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and or dropping a comment in the comment section. That will be very nice. So as you know, the lead magnet is an important piece in the list building process because it answers a question of the prospect, or it resolves a problem for them, and that is the first step that we need to do for our prospect, is resolve one of its problems. Of course, later you will have to come up with a squeeze page, you need to use an autoresponder service, you need to come up with a thank you page, etc., all the funnel, but the lead magnet itself is a very important piece. So let's take a look at this and see how exactly you can use and profit from PLR products when it comes to creating good lead magnets. So the first important thing in this process is the headline, or the title of your lead magnet. It has to answer the question or solve an urgent problem for your audience. So the first mission will be writing a compelling headline that solves an urgent problem for your audience. It's actually coming up with a headline for your piece and putting it at the top of your lead magnet. It would be great if you do some keyword research first to include a well-searched key phrase in the headline. You can also come up with a subheadline to include in your squeeze page along with the main headline. So this is very important, and like you saw before, most of the squeeze pages starts with a big headline. The next step will be gathering around 300 to 500 words from your PLR products. You can put together an initial version of your lead magnet and have it just to be few hundreds, 200s to 500 words. Sometimes people like short reports, and other people like more detailed ebooks or reports. Sometimes you can get people to take action with lead magnets that are only 2 to 3 pages long. And the more impressed your leads are with your lead magnet, the more interested they will be in working with you and engaging with you in the future. Yeah, this is very important, but if you don't want to write everything yourself, it's much better if you pull the information from the PLR products that you already have. So what you can do next is find all the ebooks and the articles that you have in your hard drive and that are speaking relatively about the same topic, and then you just search and find the articles that are close to the topic that you will be making a lead magnet for. And since you already have the headline and the subheadline, you can easily find some content that suits that need. Now, after you find, for example, 2 or 3 ebooks speaking about the same topic, you can find the best articles inside each ebooks and put them apart. You will be using them later. So after you find some articles that respond to the main question of the lead magnet, you can rewrite an introduction and a conclusion to put your your personal touch on this lead magnet. After that, go through all the paragraphs that are in your lead magnet and try to bring your personal touch as well there, and your personal style also. So gathering 300 to 500 words isn't long at all, and you could easily do that in 30 minutes or an hour using high quality PLR content that you already have. You need also to decorate your lead magnet using images and graphics. They have to be, of course, relevant to the subject, and they need to be compelling images as well. You can use the PLR images if you have. If you don't have, you can find royalty-free images on the internet. Another step is to create an e-cover for this report or for this lead magnet. So most of the PLR products come with PSD files for graphics and e-covers, so you can edit the PLR graphics to get your own e-cover. And if you don't know how to edit those, you can use free services that are on the internet. For example, you can go to canva.com, and then on the search bar you can write eBook e-cover, and then you search for this. Sorry, let me do it one more time. eBook e-cover, click on this one here, and then you will see all the templates here that you can choose from to make an e-cover for your ebook. Let's say that you choose this one here. So Canva will let you edit and change the titles and lots of elements in the e-cover, and then once you're done editing the e-cover, you just download it to your hard drive. So once it's downloaded to your hard drive, and if you want to make it a 3D e-cover, you go to the a service called Do-It-Yourself Book Covers, or DIYBookCovers.com, and then you go to the menu Book Design, and then you choose 3D Mockups. So 3D Mockups here will allow you to make 3D graphics like these ones here or these ones here for free. All you have to do is submit the e-cover that you made on Canva, and then you just follow the steps and you will get the 3D e-cover. When you're done with the e-cover, your squeeze page will look like something like this, where you have your headlines on the top, you have an e-cover, you can add like bullet points on the side, and then don't forget to put your opt-in form here and the call to action, I mean the button that will put your prospect's email in your autoresponder. Once you're done making the e-cover, you can insert a flat version of your e-cover here on the first page of the doc document or the Word document, and then you will have to, of course, turn it to a PDF. So to do that, you need to go to an online service like this one here. It's a free. It's called ilovepdf.com. So ilovepdf.com, all you have to do is come here where it says convert Word to PDF, select the Word document on your hard drive, and then it will convert it to a PDF and let you download it to your hard drive. Now, if you don't have any PLR ebooks or articles or PLR content to make your own lead magnets, you can check this product here, where there are more than 300 premium PLR products, and where it gives you the unrestricted PLR rights, where you can do whatever you want with the products. So like you see here, the first module is 27 products, and the second module is 250 products. All of them have the Word document. I have e-covers, so you can choose from these PLR products and ebooks, and then depending on your niche, depending on your needs, you will find a piece of content that will help you make your own lead magnets. So I will leave a link in the description to this particular product. And this was it, guys, about creating lead magnets out of PLR content. Thank you very much for supporting the channel by subscribing, liking, and or leaving a comment, and I will see you on the next video.